Across the European Union, member states are setting inspiring examples of cybersecurity innovation and awareness. In education, several countries are integrating cybersecurity into school curricula, from primary to secondary education. Campaigns with gamified tools and interactive workshops help students learn to identify cyber threats, promoting awareness from an early age. Public awareness is a strong focus too. Member states have launched engaging campaigns using TV spots, webinars, and even websites dedicated to cyber hygiene tips and reporting mechanisms. These initiatives simplify access to essential cybersecurity information for all citizens. Member states also emphasize collaboration. Partnerships between governments, private sectors, and educational institutions strengthen their efforts and ensure unified approaches to cybersecurity. As the 2024 by ENISA highlights, the tailored approaches are fostering greater cybersecurity awareness and resilience across the Union. Download the full report at ENISA's website.